Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 5. Venice before Shylock's house. Enter Shylock and Lancelot. Shylock, well, you will see, and your eyes will judge the difference between me and Bethany. Are you there, Jessica? Don't overeat as you have done with me. Hello, Jessica. Don't sleep and snore and wear out your clothes. Jessica, do you hear me? Lancelot. Hello, Jessica. Shylock, who asked you to call? I did not ask you to do so. Lancelot, Your Honor used to complain that I never did anything without your orders. Enter Jessica. Jessica, did you call me? What do you want? Shylock, I am invited to dinner, Jessica. Here, take my keys. But why should I go? I have not been invited because they love me. It is done to flatter me. However, I will go there out of hatred, to eat the food of these wasteful Christians. Jessica, my girl, look after the house. I am reluctant to go. There is some evil being plotted to destroy the peace of my mind because I dream of moneybags last night. Lancelot, I request you to come, sir. My young master expects you to be there. Shylock, and I also expect him waiting for me. Lancelot, they have planned something together. I don't say that you will see a mass, but if you do, then it was not without reason when my nose bled last Easter Monday at 6 o'clock in the morning. In that year, just 4 years ago, Easter fell on Ash Wednesday in the afternoon. Shylock, what? Are there masks? Do you hear me, Jessica? Look up our doors, and when you hear sounds of the drums and the shrill note of the twisted pipe, don't climb up to see from the window, nor stretch your neck out to gaze over the public street at Christian fools with painted masks. On the other hand, close up all the opening of the house, I mean the windows. Don't let the sound of vulgar shows enter into my sober house. By the staff of the prophet Jacob, I swear I have no wish to go out to feast tonight. However, I have decided to go. You go in front of me, Lancelot. Tell the master that I will come. Lancelot, I will be there ahead of you, sir. In spite of what he has said, look out of the window. A Christian will pass by. He is worth looking at by Jews. Shylock, what did the foolish descendant of Hagar tell you, Jessica? His words were farewell, mistress, and nothing else. Shylock, the fool is kind enough, but it is a voracious eater of food. He is as slow as a snail in any enterprise. He sleeps by day more than a wild cat. Lazy people can't live with me, and so I part with him. He goes as per my wish to a man whom he will help to squander the money the latter has borrowed. Well, Jessica, go in. Perhaps I will come back soon. Do as I told you and shut the doors. Anything that is locked is always safe. Is a proverb that is never outdated for a careful man. Shylock goes out. Jessica, farewell unless I have bad luck now. I have lost my father and you, your daughter. She goes out.